In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team in Basecamp. If you're just getting started with Basecamp or looking to streamline your project management, knowing how to set up a team effectively can be a game changer. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to get your team working together seamlessly. Once you've created your project and are on your project page, the first thing you'll want to do is look towards the top of the screen and find the People tab. This is your gateway to managing your project's participants. Think of it as your team roster, where you can see who's involved in what, and manage your human resources efficiently. Click on that People tab, and you'll be directed to the page where you can manage your team members. Here, you'll see a button that says Plus Add People. Give that a click. This is the place where you'll begin building your dream team, adding the collaborators who will join you on this project journey. After you click that button, you'll be prompted to enter the email addresses of the people you wish to invite to your project. Be precise with these email addresses, as they are the primary point of contact for each team member within Basecamp. You'll want to make sure you have them correct to avoid any hiccups in communication down the line. Once you've entered the necessary email addresses, it's time to assign roles and permissions. Each member can have different permissions based on their role within the project. You might want some members to have full viewing and editing rights, while others might only need access to certain sections of the project. Taking the time to carefully consider and assign these permissions can help maintain clarity and efficiency within your team. It's a good idea to communicate with each member about their roles so that expectations are clear from the get-go. Finally, once all roles and permissions are set, look for the Send Invitations button. Clicking this will send out emails to the people you intend to invite, prompting them to join your Basecamp project. Keep in mind that until you send out these invites, your team members won't have access to the project, so don't forget this crucial last step. And there you have it. Your team is now set up in Basecamp, ready to collaborate, share ideas, and work towards your project goals. Remember, setting up a strong team from the start sets the tone for effective collaboration and successful project completion. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful for your Basecamp journey. Happy project managing!